Hi, my name is Jenny. I'm a nurse here at Integrative Health and Hormone Clinic, and I'm going to show you how to collect for the Rhythm Plus kit from Genova. This is a month-long saliva collection. You will be freezing your saliva specimens, and you will ship them out Monday through Friday via FedEx. There are certain medications that can skew results. So you want to make sure that you look at the instructions. There is a list there of medications and supplements that you should avoid. Also, you should have been advised during your visit with your doctor of what medications and supplements to stop before doing the testing. I will go ahead and point out some of the contents here. You have 16 vials. You have 16 labels. You then have a calendar that you will use to do your collection schedule. You have your instructions, requisition form, and then you have your FedEx envelope and your kit box. It is very important that you follow the collection schedule. The calendar right here is what you will follow. You will start with day 1 being the first day of your period. You will then collect on just the days that have the droplets. So the first collection will actually be day 3, and then your next one would be day 5, and so on. So you'll only be collecting on the days with droplets. You will write down the date and the time that you collected, but every time that you collect, you will be collecting in between 7 and 9 a.m. The last day that you will be collecting is a little bit different, day 29. This day only applies to the Rhythm Plus kit. If you are doing just the Rhythm kit, then you will not be doing the day 29 collection. But on the day 29 collection, you will be doing several collections during that day. On that day, you will need to wake up between 6 and 8 a.m. and then you will follow the collection schedule down here at the bottom. At the very last collection, which is between 2:30 and 3:30 a.m., that night you will go to bed with a flashlight, a cup of drinking water, and your saliva vial. When you do that middle of the night collection, you don't want to turn your room light on. So you'll use the flashlight to move around, collect your specimen, collect your saliva, and then you'll be done. That'll be the last collection that you'll do. So every time that you go to collect, 1 hour before collecting, you basically don't want to do anything besides drink water. Anything else that you put in your mouth can interfere with testing, so you want to avoid eating, brushing your teeth, chewing gum, things like that. You will spit directly into the vial, and you will fill to the 3 milliliter mark. If it looks bubbly or foamy, just tap it against a hard surface. Make sure that you have enough saliva in there. Then you'll recap it nice and tight. Make sure that you fill out your label, and then you'll put it in this biohazard bag right here and stick it in the freezer. So every time that you collect, you will be adding to your bag in the freezer. The labels here have little red numbers on them. And so you will use the label that corresponds with the collection. So label number 1 you'll use for your first collection, and so on. Once you have all of your vials, all of your samples collected, you will keep them in the freezer until you're ready to ship them. They will be shipped FedEx using this label. We do recommend putting your samples in the box for added protection, and then put the box in the FedEx envelope. And then you can either call FedEx and schedule a pickup, or take it to the nearest FedEx location. Your requisition form here that you will send with your kit, you will fill out the highlighted parts. We will do everything to fill out on our end. So on the front page, you have this top section here, and then on the back you have your patient information, insurance, your prepayment right here that you'll send in, and then make sure that you sign and date at the bottom of your requisition. And then again, this will be sent with your kit. Also make sure that you send in a copy of your calendar that you filled out. If you have any questions after watching this video or reading the instructions, please do not hesitate to give our clinic a call. Thank you.